On FortiGate go to Network, Interfaces, then create New and click Interface. Port 23 and port 24 for 802.3ad Aggregate. Do not configure separate IP addresses or configure on port 23 and port 24. Set name as inside LAN, alias optional, type 802.3ad Aggregate, members, port 23 and port 24. Set role, LAN, IP, leave unassigned if this will be a VLAN trunk. Click OK for safe configuration. Switch ports connected to FortiGate ports 23 and 24 must also be configured as in last port channel. Create VLAN 48 on FortiGate. Go to Create New, then Interface. Set name, LAN VLAN 48. You can set your preferred name. Alias optional, then set type, VLAN, interface, last trunk, VLAN ID, 48. Set then role. Set a LAN, IP/net mask, for example: :192.168.48.1 out of 24. Set administrative access. Allow HTTPS, ping, SSH. Enable DHCP option and set DHCP client range for users following this video. Repeat for other VLANs as required. Enable NAT, required security profiles as required. When create a interface on IP address, then automatically create a network address object on policy and object option. Thanks for watching.